Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
So we are just doing think, discuss, write of chapter number 4, which we have finished yesterday. So 2-3 queries are there which are left. We'll complete and afterwards we'll start with the revision, because this is the last thing that we have to discuss. Syllabus is finished. With these 2-3 more discussions are left. Let us continue with those discussions. So I think we have completed up to page number 60, think, discuss and write, and we are going to start with the think, discuss, write of page number 62. पेज नंबर 62 पे हम think, discuss, write जो है वो start कर रहे हैं. Page 62, right? So he says, example that you can see yourself. I'm taking the second part. Can you construct a quadrilateral PQRS? So the given dimensions and the given naming of the quadrilateral is PQRS. Can you construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, RS is equal to 3 centimeter, PS is equal to 7.5 centimeter, PR is equal to 8 centimeter, and SQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Justify your answer. So these are the dimension. We want to tell that, we have to tell that whether with these dimension it is possible to construct a quadrilateral PQRS or not, right? So if you just simply draw this quadrilateral using the given information, you see, I'm making here just with the given information. It is not the special kind of quadrilateral. It is just any kind of you can say simply any quadrilateral. So if I making the rough sketch to discuss or to justify, I'm just making it like this. This is like P, Q, R and S. We are having PQ as 3 and QR is not given to us. No, QR is not given to us. Then RS is 3. This is RS. This is 3. PS is 7.5. This is PS. This is 7.5. And PR is 8. And second diagonal SQ. Diagonal SQ, this is 4. Otherwise, you can see what is given to us in this question. What is given to us? You can see that we are having 2 diagonals. If I see the rough sketch carefully, I can realize that in this question I am having 2 diagonals. मेरे पास एक तो 2 diagonals दिए हुए हैं, and with the 2 diagonals I am having all the other 3 sides of the triangle. Otherwise, we have learned that to construct a quadrilateral we should have 5 things available with us. हमारे पास 5 चीजें होनी चाहिए, राइट? यहाँ पे 5 चीजें हैं. तो ये रफ स्केच तो हमने बनाया. सपोज हम इसको ड्रॉ करें, अगर आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट, यू नो, व्हेन द डायगोनल्स आर गिवन वी स्टार्ट द कंस्ट्रक्शन विद डायगोनल. हम डायगोनल के साथ कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो शुरू करते हैं रफली. फिर से इस पेयर स्केच को भी मैं रफ वे में बनाऊंगी, बट in the way as we have learned that how to draw the quadrilateral when the diagonals are given. So I am making the diagonal PR first. This is PR. Somewhere here will be Q and somewhere here will be S. So you can see PS and SR. They are given to us. तो यहाँ पे 7.5 और यहाँ पे SR 3. तो ये तो नीचे वाला ट्राइंगल तो आपके पास बन जाएगा 7.5 and 3. PS and SR. Now as far as this PQ is concerned, this PQ is 3. ठीक है, PQ हमारे पास 3 and now the thing which is left, देखो आपने PQ भी use कर लिया, you have used RS also, you have used PS also, and you have used this PR as well, and one thing which is left which you have not used right till now, that is SQ. Keeping the needle at the point S, you can mark an arc cutting the previous arc at this particular point, and that is Q. So joining PQ and QR and SQ, you will get the quadrilateral. So justification is, आप draw करके ही justification ले पाओगे. You can tell that here we are given 2 diagonals and 3 sides, and from the picture, from the figure, it is clear that we can draw such quadrilateral in which 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given to us. 2 side 2 diagonals मुश्किल हो जाएगा, but if 3 sides 2 diagonals given हो, then we can easily construct the quadrilateral, right? So this is page 62, question number 2. Think, discuss and write ka, and this way will justify that whether we are able to draw the quadrilateral or not, right? Now come to page number 64. Think, discuss and write of page number 64. Page number 64. I am discussing the first one. Can you construct the above quadrilateral? ये आप example के accordingly अपने आप करना. I am discussing the second. क्योंकि this question is according to example. You can read the example and you can justify or you can answer it accordingly. So I am discussing the second part. Can you construct a quadrilateral plan? Name of the quadrilateral is plan, in which the dimensions are given like PL is equal to 6 centimeter, then LA is equal to 9.5 centimeter, and then angle P is equal to 75 degree, angle L is equal to 150 degree, angle A is equal to 140 degree. So these are the dimensions with the help of which we just want to justify that whether we can draw the quadrilateral with such dimensions, with such given dimensions or not. Let us see. Suppose I am making it roughly plan. I can make it like this. देखिए जरा क्या बनता है. P L ऐसे होएगा A 140 है ना, तो एंगल थोड़ा बड़ा होगा. This is 140. L is 150, and then this P is 75 degree. So PL is 6 and LA is 9.5. हमने तो सिर्फ इसको ऐसे देखा कि इसकी पिक्चर ऐसी आ सकती है, बट क्या ऐसी पिक्चर जस्टिफाइड है? This we have to tell. See how we will justify, how we'll tell that this is right or wrong. If you see the sum of these angles, it will be 290 plus 75, 365. So this quadrilateral plan, 3 angles are given to you, that is angle P and angle L and angle 140. You know, in quadrilateral, sum of all the 4 angles, it is 360. It should be 360 degree, right? But if you add these angles of this quadrilateral, this will be more than 360. So let me tell you how you will explain. Here, angle A plus angle P plus angle L, this is equal to 140 plus 75 plus 150. This is 365 degree. 365 degree, which is not possible. Which is not possible as sum of 4 angles. Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral. Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 4 angles का sum 360 degree होता है, and here it is telling us that the sum of the 3 angles is more than 360. So it is not possible to draw such quadrilateral, and this is the justification that you should give for this, right? Next देखिए, question number 3rd. If you want to draw a parallelogram and you are given the lengths of the adjacent sides, do we still need measures of the angles to construct as in the example above? अगर हमारे पास पैरेललोग्राम में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एडजेसेंट साइड्स दी हों तो क्या हम पैरेललोग्राम को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? एंड ही सेज, डू यू स्टिल नीड मेजर ऑफ एंगल्स टू कंस्ट्रक्ट as in the example? Naturally, when we are given parallelogram, let me explain it by giving the justification on the board. This is 3rd question. Parallelogram में आपको मान लो adjacent sides दी, मैं अपनी तरफ से एग्जांपल लेते हैं. ABCD is a parallelogram इस तरह से, and इसमें हमारे पास सपोज साइड AB 5 and side BC 4 दी हुई है. And we are just given the adjacent side, and we just have to see that whether with these adjacent sides we are able to draw parallelogram or not, right? So आप ऐसे जब इसको draw करोगे तो आपके पास AB 5 है, BC 4, तो यहाँ पे एंगल 4, ये 4 का साइन हो गया, and you know that opposite sides of parallelogram equal, तो यहाँ पे भी 4. Now the thing is, this is 4, this is 4, we know, हमें पता है कि ये 4 4 है, बट हमें ये यहाँ से जो हमने 4th आर्क लगाना है उसका पॉइंट कैसे पता चले? ये जो 5 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ पे लगानी है, some of the children they are thinking that we will keep the needle at this point like this, हम यहाँ पे रख देंगे और यहाँ पे रख के 5 सेंटीमीटर इधर कट कर देंगे, है ना? कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे हैं नहीं नहीं मैं तो यहाँ पे रखूंगा, यहाँ से मैं 5 सेंटीमीटर कट करूंगा. कुछ कह रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं हम और पीछे, मतलब there is no proper point from where this arc can make, we can make this arc. इसका मतलब जब तक हमारे पास यहाँ पे पॉइंट, इन दोनों में से कोई एक पॉइंट फिक्स नहीं होता, we can't make the last arc which is going to give us the picture of the parallelogram. And that means for that purpose we should have one line like this. हमारे पास एक लाइन ऐसे होनी चाहिए, and this one line you can't make by yourself until or unless some angle is not given. That means you must have given one angle, suppose it be 60 degree, जिससे कि आपके पास पॉइंट आ जाएगा, उस पॉइंट से 5 सेंटीमीटर लग जाएगी और इस तरह से you can have parallelogram. आपको याद है हमने लास्ट एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन किया था कि कैन वी कंस्ट्रक्ट अ पैरेललोग्राम विद दीज डायमेंशंस, हमारे पास दी हुई थी, क्या हम इन डायमेंशन से पैरेललोग्राम को कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं? ओके, जहाँ पे 2 साइड्स एडजेसेंट साइड्स गिवन दी थी, हमने उसने पूछा था इज इट यूनिक, वी से दैट इट इज नॉट यूनिक, वी कैन ड्रॉ इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी ऑफ वन एंगल. हाँ जी रिदम, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क?
मैम एक बार फिर से समझाना ये वाला क्वेश्चन.
हमारे पास 2 एडजेसेंट साइड्स दी हुई हैं, क्या उसकी हेल्प से हम पैरेललोग्राम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? मैंने जो भी एडजेसेंट साइड्स के साथ इंफॉर्मेशन थी उसके साथ इसको ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश की. सो आई एम हैविंग AB इज इक्वल टू 5, BC का आर्क यहाँ से 4 लगा और इधर से ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेललोग्राम की इक्वल है तो यहाँ पे भी 4 लग गया. इतना क्लियर है रिदम?
यस मैम.
Now I want one arc of 5 centimeter in this direction because opposite sides equal, तो ये 5 आएगा. But the thing is, if I want to draw one arc of 5 centimeter, I need one point. मेरे पास कोई point होना चाहिए जिसपे needle रख के, कोई fixed point होना चाहिए जिसपे needle रख के 5 centimeter arc can be made. But the question is from where that point is should come. So एक चीज आप याद रखोगे that for that point to be coming, we must have one angle, maybe it may be angle A or B, कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट उस पॉइंट के लिए जहां से 5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क लगना है हमारे पास एक एंगल होगा, तभी वो पॉइंट हमारे पास आएगा, तभी ये पैरेललोग्राम कंप्लीट होगा. सो व्हेन यू आर गिवन,
मैम हम कोई भी एंगल ले सकते हैं.
Yes?
हम कोई भी एंगल ले सकते हैं.
एनी एंगल. हमें ये बताना है ना कि what information is required, what more information is required, right? To construct a parallelogram when 2 adjacent sides are given, we'll tell in addition, when two adjacent sides are given, we should have at least one angle of the parallelogram. Only then we can construct it. Am I clear, bete? Rhythm?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोल लो.
Ma'am, many students are not connected to audio, so we have to mark the attendance of them.
Bache, if they are there in the class, maybe some network issue, right? So we have to mark their attendance. Okay, sure. So I'm explaining when two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given, we can draw such parallelogram only if at least means kam se kam, at least one angle of the parallelogram is given. We can draw such parallelogram only in the case if at least one angle of the parallelogram is given to us. अगर हमारे पास एक angle होगा, only then we will be able to construct such parallelogram. Right? चलिए next देखिए. This is thing discuss, right? Page number 64. We have completed. चलिए, let us move towards page number 66. Think, discuss, and write. Page number 66. Question number 2. This is just like in first and second part, you are given, the question is like you just have to tell the 5 possibilities which should be given to us, with the help of which we can draw quadrilateral. So this is, you can say, revision of whole of the exercises that we did earlier, that in what condition, with what given we can construct a quadrilateral. We should have 3 sides and then 2 diagonals. First condition. Then we should have all the 4 sides and 1 diagonal, even then it will be constructed. We should have 1 angle and 4 sides, even then it will be constructed. So this you will write yourself. जितना आपने चैप्टर में जो किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली you will write कि कौन सी 5 conditions हमें चाहिए होती हैं if we want to construct a quadrilateral. ठीक है, this I am leaving to you. आप देख सकते हो नीचे उसने आपको दिखाया भी हुआ है 4 एंगल्स, एक साइड, चारों के चारों एंगल्स मिल जाएं, एक साइड हो तब भी कंस्ट्रक्ट हो सकता है, 2 डायगोनल, 3 sides, even then it will be constructed, 1 diagonal, 4 sides, even then it will be constructed, like that. So this you can list yourself. ये मैं आप पे छोड़ रही हूँ. चलिए, जो try this 67 page पे second question है, we have not done such question earlier, so that I'm going to discuss. Page number 67, try this. Second question. Construct a kite easy in which AY is equal to, now the next kind of a quadrilateral is kite. We haven't learned that how to draw a kite. Just proceeding, let us see that how to construct a kite. AY is equal to 8 centimeter. EY is equal to 4 centimeter. SY is equal to 6 centimeter. ठीक है, ये चीजें हमें गिवन है. That means हम देखते हैं रफ स्केच में that what is given to us and how we will proceed to construct such kite. So I'm making rough sketch. So see that the name is easy. So kite is like this. Easy. It's very easy to draw a kite, as the name suggests. Easy, right? So हमें dimensions को जरा mark करें. हमारे पास EY 4 है, AY हमारे पास 8 है, and moreover EY that I have written, SY it is given to be 6. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास dimensions हैं. बट ऐसा काइट बनना चाहिए. एक मैं सेकंड रफ स्केच इसका ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ कि कैसे हम इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज AY, दिस इज 8, राइट. ऊपर E आना चाहिए, नीचे S. दिस इज 4, ये आपके पास 4 है. ठीक है, तो इसके ऊपर दूसरा आर्क भी तो कट होना चाहिए, तभी हमारे पास E पॉइंट आएगा. दिस इज S. हाउ टू कट एन आर्क फ्रॉम A here and from here to here, that is a question which we will do with the help of properties of kite, that in case of kite adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent pair of sides, each adjacent pair of sides are equal. That means if you are talking about this EY and this EA, they seems to be adjacent side, that is above diagonal. One pair of adjacent side is above diagonal, one pair of adjacent side is below diagonal. One pair of adjacent sides above diagonal, they should be equal. They are equal. This is a property of kite. तो यहां से आप 4 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ कर दोगे, तो दिस इज 4 ईच. ठीक है, अभी हम फेयर करेंगे. मैंने एक रफ स्केच और आज हमने सीखा दूसरा रफ स्केच, जिसमें हम प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हुए यहां तक पहुंचेंगे. सेकंड रफ sketch is guiding us that how to proceed to the fair sketch using the property of the kite. So now here it is 6. You can have 6 as the adjacent sides above and below the diagonal, they should be equal. So this sketch will help us, and we have to mention the property as well, that which property we are using to construct this kite. So let us proceed. So such kind of construction that we have done earlier. When one diagonal and all the other sides are given, we start the construction with the diagonal. This is very obvious that whenever diagonal is given, we start the construction with the diagonal. So I'm making, first of all, I'm drawing this 8. सबसे पहले ये 8 मैंने ड्रॉ कर दिया, एंड इसका नाम है हमारे पास Y8. दिस इज 8. Here somewhere will be E, and here somewhere will be S. This is 4. So keeping the needle at the point Y, you have to cut an arc of 4 centimeters like this. Similarly, this EA is also 4. Keeping the needle at the point A, cut an arc. This is also 4 centimeters. So you just have to mark it as E and join this EY and EA. So these are 4 centimeters each. राइट. अगर हम बिलो द डायगोनल की बात करें, तो दिस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर बिलो द डायगोनल. सो यू कैन हैव, by keeping the needle at the point A, you can mark an arc of 6 centimeter below AY and another arc cutting the previous arc, right? So यहाँ पे आपके पास जो point है, that will come as according to rough sketch it will be S, right? ये हमारे पास S आ गया. Now we will join this. This is SY. And this is your AS, and they are 6 each. तो ये आपके पास एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा हमने गलत भी, मैं गलत नहीं कह सकती, स्केल की जो हेल्प है, स्केल अकॉर्डिंगली आई हैव यूज्ड. 8 जो है वो 6 से बड़ा लगना चाहिए, छोटा लग रहा है. एनी हाउ, व्हेन यू विल मेक इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉपर स्केल, यू विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर ऑफ द काइट, राइट? So kite, to construct the kite, one diagonal and 2 sides are enough, because we can use the property that in case of kite, adjacent sides are equal. So I told you how to write the steps of construction. So accordingly you will write, and I'm just mentioning one thing which is very important to write, whether the steps of construction being asked in the question paper or not. You have to mention the property used that you are using, that is must to draw the given coordinate. So you will write, so property used is, अब adjacent sides of the kite are these also. ये भी तो adjacent है, How kind of adjacent sides we have to take? Only those sides which lie, two of them lie above the diagonal and two of them lie below diagonal. So I'm writing in case of quadrilateral, in case of kite, adjacent pair of sides above and below the diagonal are always equal. So this property we will use to draw a kite in which one side above the diagonal and another side below the diagonal, it is given. So Rhythm wants to ask something. Let me unmute him. Hanji Rhythm, what do you want to ask?
मैम अगर हमें एक वन साइड और एक वन एंगल दिया हो तो भी हम बना सकते हैं ना काइट का डायग्राम, क्योंकि जो एडजेसेंट, अगर हमें वन साइड गिवन हो तभी भी हम बना सकते हैं ना एडजेसेंट साइड्स ऑफ काइट आर इक्वल।
बच्चे ये सारी थोड़ा इक्वल होती है काइट में, अगर एक गिवन है तो दूसरी साथ वाली इक्वल होगी, इन दोनों की इक्वल थोड़ा आएगी। Kite में all sides are not equal. Adjacent pair of side, one pair above the diagonal and another pair below the diagonal, they are equal. Am I clear? Okay. Chaliye, this is all about from this chapter. So we have completed each and everything, all the properties, 5 conditions with the help of which we can construct quadrilaterals, different special kind of quadrilaterals with the help of their properties. Hanji, hardly 1 minute is left. Anyone who can, Guntaz Singh has come today, na? So Guntaz, see, if I see the attendance register, since last 10 days, you have not attended even a single of class. Nor you send your test and you are not ready to send your holidays homework, your notebook. Matlab, what kind of student you are? So it means you will get 0 marks in your internal assessment. So if today you are coming in the class, so please make it your habit that you should be regular, right? And send your work regularly, whatever is being asked by your teacher. Hanji, anyone who can tell the steps of construction for this particular question? Olankit has joined today after many days. Tanish, unmute yourself. Tanish. Chaliye, we'll continue tomorrow. Right, and now the syllabus is over. I put the schedule of sending the notebooks and accordingly you send the notebook if you want to get marks in your internal assessment.